Okay, this video will just show a different method to using the molar ratio. It's called the cross method. So we've been given the amount of grams of HCl, which is 12.5, and we want to know the grams of CaCl2. Okay, now we need to convert this to moles first because our coefficients deal in a molar ratio. So mole equals the mass divided by molar mass. So the moles is 12.5 divided by 36.5. So we have 0.342 mole of HCl. Okay, so we want to know the grams of CaCl2, but first we need to find out the moles. Okay, so we've got the mole value of HCl. We want to know the mole of CaCl2. So mole CaCl2, we don't know that yet. Okay, so cross method. There's a 1 here, and I'm going to multiply that 1 by 0.342, and the coefficient here is 2, so I'm going to multiply that 2 by this value here. So 0.342 equals 2 times the value of this, whatever it is, we don't even know. So how would I find out the value of this unknown? I could really even just represent this whole thing as x, couldn't I? Because this is my unknown. So imagine that was 2 times x. Well, how would I figure out this x? Divide both sides by 2. So x equals 0.342 over 2. And so x equals 0.171 mole. And then from there, we just need to find the grams. So just remember x is the mole of CaCl2, 0.171. So to find grams, we just multiply that value by its molar mass, which is 111.1. So the grams of calcium chloride is 19.0 grams. So that's what we call the cross method. It may be easier to initially even call this x, but just keep track of what x actually is as you do your working.